Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Evernote for note-taking. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Welcome to a new tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Evernote as a complete beginner. So let's get into it. To navigate to the application, just type in evernote.com on your web browser, and you will be routed shortly into the landing page of Evernote. So Evernote is a popular note-taking and organization tool that offers several features that makes it helpful for various purposes. Evernote is helpful for its versatile note-taking capabilities, allowing users to capture and organize information in various formats. Its cross-platform compatibility ensures seamless access across devices, and features like powerful search functionality and web clipping make retrieving and storing information efficient. So to get started with Evernote, you can download the application over here, or you can just sign up for free on this option over here. Once you click that, you'll have the options and how you can subscribe to Evernote. We have the free version, which I will be using for this tutorial. Then there are the personal and professional subscriptions available for those who want to upgrade to a premium plan. So let's get started over here. And you can easily log in with your Google account or input an email and then set a password. But for me personally, I'm just going to log in using my Google account. And once you do the initial login, it's gonna take you to your very own Evernote dashboard. And I'm going to show you everything around here. So on the left side panel of the screen, we have the shortcuts to pull up the tools that we can use in our note-taking activity. The first one is the quick add options, and this allows me to add a new note, task, attachment, audio, and sketch. Then I have my home page where I can see all my recent notes over here. Then I will also have my scratch pad over in the right hand side. And then I have my recently captured over at the bottom part. This is where I can track all my web clips, images, documents, audios, and emails. And take note that you can also customize your homepage. Then we have the shortcuts, notes, tasks, notebooks, tags, share with me, and lastly the trash. So to kick off with this tutorial, I'm going to create a new note and demonstrate how easily you can take notes and organize them. Let's open up a new note on this option over here. And it will open a blank note for us to work in. Before delving into the tutorial, let me first show you how your note looks when it's expanded. As you can see, it looks quite similar to Word or Google Docs, making it simple and user-friendly for our task. Now let's start with essentials. So first things first, we're gonna need a title for a note. Let's assume that I am taking notes for my classes, so I'm gonna go for a lecture for the title. And I can now start writing, drag files, or jumpstart from a template. But what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna show you guys a very important feature that Evernote offers. So if you click this portion over here, you will have the options to insert task, calendar event, link, note link, table, divider, attachment, image, checkbox, and more. So let's say that I have a homework that I'm going to be putting on my note. So what I can do is I can add a blank task list, and I'm going to show you guys how you can organize your task option over here. So click on these three dots over here to have a better understanding on how you can edit this. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's assume that I am taking notes for my chemistry class, so we'll go with Chem Homework as the name. Once you have your name, you can now begin editing this, like for example, setting a due date over here, or make this recurring. Then over at the bell icon, this is where you can add a reminder to notify you in a specific time. You can even flag tasks, and lastly, you can also assign someone on this task if you have a team working for it. Once you're done, you can click the save button to save this task into your notebook. And you can start writing again or go back to insert, and you can choose another option that you can insert into your note. Like for example, I'm gonna insert a divider. So the divider will kind of like separate my works from the first portion to the other one. So in this, I'm gonna add a table. So I'm gonna go back to insert and click on table. So this is the table right here. First, you can click on this plus sign button, and it allows you to add a row into your table. And if you click the top part, it will allow you to add a column into your table. So this is what it looks like, and now I can create something of my class. Like for example, I'm gonna type in all the classes on this table and type in the information that I can put it in here as well. So as you can see, this is the table that I've created within my notes. Now what I can do is I can change the color. So this is the auto color that is black, but you can choose from all of colors over here and change the color of your text. Then we have the highlighter if I want to highlight something over in my notebook. Like for example, let's click on insert, and I'm gonna insert again a divider. So here I'm just gonna type in the text or paragraph maybe about my chemistry class. So as you can see, I have typed in the paragraph over here. Now I can click on insert, and I can insert an image under the paragraph. So just simply click on image and it will open up your gallery for you. And just simply add your image into your notebook. So as you can see, I have added my image. We can click on these three dots over here. And this is where you can rename the image, add a title, do a full screen preview and more. Then you can also click on the corners and resize the image if you want to make it a little bigger or smaller. You can also change the alignment of the text and the alignment of the image as well. Then going back to the highlighter, what I can do now is I can easily click on the text or sentences and just click the highlighter and it will be highlighted shortly. Then you can also customize the color of your highlighter if you want. You have the options over here that you can choose from. You can see it's actually pretty good how we can create these notes over here in Evernote. It's really a useful way to organize our work notes and also our class notes. If I want to add an event into my notebook, I can also do that, and this is really important, especially if you're creating a note for your work. So you can click on this calendar section over here and you'll be able to insert a meeting or you can create a project. We can also insert our Google Calendar into our Evernote. We have different integrations that we can add, and you'll just have to make sure that it is supported by Evernote. So as you can see, this is the way we create a note with this application. There's a lot of things that we can do, like change the alignment, we can change the adjustment, we can also insert table, we can write different formulas, we can also add to-do list and checklist within our notes. And we can also share this note, especially if you guys are having a group work. So to do that, you can click on the share option at the upper right corner of your screen and enable the shareable link and share this to your teammates, or you can just simply type in their email and invite them into your note. And once your note is created, it will be automatically saved into your account. And if you want to add another notebook, you can do that by simply clicking the plus sign button over here, and another notebook will be added to your account. If you want to add a task, you can jumpstart by clicking the quick add option, selecting task. The process is similar to creating a task over in your notebook. You will need a title, set up the due date, reminder, flag, and assignee for the task. You can also move it to a specific notebook by clicking on this option here. Once you're done, simply click the save button and it will be saved shortly. Then we have the shared with me section, where you can view notes shared with you by others. Lastly, the trash is where you can find notes that you've moved to the trash. And with that being said, Evernote is just like a notebook that we carry around in our backpack, but with the added advantage of being digital and seamlessly accessible across various devices. It not only allows for the convenient organization of notes, but also enables easy sharing, collaboration, and search functionalities, revolutionizing the way we manage and retrieve information in both professional and academic settings. And this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you have any suggestions or ideas, please feel free to comment down below. I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye!